Hello, my name is Sebastian and I'm from Elements for Life, and welcome to E4L Online. As you can see below this introductory video, we have a series of different online services and online programs servicing people from local communities and abroad. In this video I'm going to run through a couple of the elements of our programming, as well as give you some insight to our E4L online coaching platform from a client's perspective. So if you scroll down, you will see that we have 4 different programs. We have remote online coaching, we have accountability coaching, we even have a 4-week Kickstarter for those who have not done online coaching before. In the coming weeks and months, we're also going to be developing and bringing to our community a series of online programs which you can do at home or at work or even on holiday. So now I'm going to click into our client platform to give you an idea of what that looks like.
Okay, in this video I'm going to give you a quick demonstration and run through of what it looks like from the client's perspective when you log into the E4L online coaching platform. Now, I have set up myself a dummy profile, and I've also allocated a series of activities and workouts specific for my goals and ambitions. Now, for the sake of example, you will see when you first log in, you'll see a list of different activities specified and allocated by your coach, and they will be by date. So you've got upcoming and past. And for the sake of demonstration, I've created 2 specific workouts. One is a 21-minute cardio workout using an elliptical trainer and some functional equipment, just as an example. Now, this would be obviously for a client who has access to some equipment. And I have also set up a hotel room workout for maybe someone who's a little bit busier, happens to be going interstate a lot, still wants to stay in touch with their coach and wants a little bit more accountability, and also wants to be able to do some movement, maybe from their hotel room or from the beach or even a hotel gym or something like that. So this can really give them some motivation, give them some direction, especially if you're a busy work person. So what you'll see here is you see the logo. We've got the E4L online logo up the top here. There's also a calendar. Now, the calendar will give you a quick rundown of what you're meant to be doing on a specific day. As you can see here today, July 1, I've got 2 tasks. Up the top, you'll also see a chat messenger. I can go in here and say, hello, coach. Great workout. Thanks for the effort and the nutrition advice. There we go, something like that. Boom, send that through and that will go to the coach. And you can also download a specific E4L online application, which will also include a online messenger which will go straight to your mobile phone. Here we also have some questions. Maybe you want to message your coach about something specific in regards to your workout. You can also do that. Obviously, the great thing about communication, it does allow for a lot more accountability and advice and direction. So we highly recommend open communication portal and chat lines. You can also set up and adjust your metrics. Now, in here under my dummy profile, I have my goals. Now, I haven't set anything up on my dummy, but I could put in here, maybe I want to do 150 kilo deadlift, or I want to lose 5 kilos of body fat, or maybe it's just I want to establish a new routine and I've got 3 things that I'd like to bring into my lifestyle that's going to support that. I can pretty much write whatever I'd like in this section. Maybe it's a holiday destination. Like I said, it's open. Metrics can be anything from, let's say, your weightlifting or your Olympic lifting. It could be how fast can you go on a rower. It could be maybe it's a 5-kilometre run. Maybe running's your thing, or you're a cyclist and you've got some goals that you would like to work on. All of these can be customised in our back end with your coach. You can create your own, as well as be specified or allocated certain metrics that are going to support greater health and fitness. Then we can go into progress. Now, this is obviously optional. Some people obtain some great motivation from using progress pictures, because we're not always good at identifying our own progress. So, and obviously this is private. It's not going on Facebook or anything like that. You can do your own progress pictures and keep it to yourself, and it allows you a true perspective of how you're going, and especially when you align this with your metrics and your goals and your good behaviours, and you're bringing in new routines with your nutrition. Lots of things can move forward in the direction that you're hoping. Then we've got equipment. Obviously this will be specific to each online coach or online client, because some clients don't have access to all the equipment. They might be in a remote area, or that you might have a full access to a gym. Obviously with some discussion with your coach, we can ascertain what equipment you have access to and then write programs in support of that access. So getting back to the main page here. Now I've got my 21 minutes of cardio. Now I'm just going to give this a bit of a click. This gives you a bit of an understanding of what it is. Now I can print out this particular workout. Let's say you're going to head out for the day and you want to take this with you. You can print out your workout, take it to the gym or wherever you're going to do your workout. You can share your results online on Twitter and things like that. If you want to tweet it or put it on Facebook, you can do that. You can also add it to your calendar if you want to do it again, or you want to make some adjustments. Here we've got a tick. You can also verify that you've executed or completed the actual task. There's a lot of information about the workout here. There's also a place where you can add let's say some pictures, or maybe you want to post a video specific for the workout that you did, maybe a proof of work. You can definitely put that in there and you can save and complete. You can also write a question or a comment, and this can go both ways with your coach, because your coach will definitely comment on your effort and give you some feedback on your technique or some other aspects that you are both working on. You can add pictures and GIFs and smileys, and it's quite an interactive platform and modernized to what we expect on these types of platforms and services. So going back, and then I've got the hotel workout just to give you a quick idea. Now I've also allocated a demonstration video for this barefoot squat sit, and so this has got access. It's to a YouTube. We can also do Vimeo. We can do all sorts of different videos, as you can see here. So if you're unsure of a particular skill, we can give you videos. We can also send you documents and pictures. It's not limited to any of the mediums that we can forward. You can also add in some pictures. There's also a exercise history based on when you have done or completed these particular exercises in the past, to give you an idea of whether or not you've done it before. Maybe you've got some other history in regards to results or fast times or metrics. And again, this is endless in regards to what we can share. There's also a cool down and a warm up component in every single workout that we do on E4L. You'll also find at the back end of your service, you'll also have access to very specific documentation and videos and a video library. We are collating a series of what we call digital assets, which will also be forwarded to specific clients to further and benefit their actual experience with us. So that's pretty much it. It's very simple. Like I said, there is a phone app as well to allow you direct connection with your coach no matter where you are. We are looking for clients from all around the world who are interested in high performance coaching or accountability coaching. We have a variety of different online services. We also have a 4-week online Kickstarter for people who have not done this before and just want to engage with it and see if they enjoy it and like it. We can also allocate different coaches for different specific reasons, whether that's for mobility, injury, rehabilitation, or high-level fitness, or maybe you're a beginner. We've got all sorts of different programs. We have fundamental programs, and we can definitely bring you from the beginning all the way through to a higher state of happiness and fitness. So that's all I'm going to share with you, and if you have any questions, please email me on getstarted@elementsforlife.com.au, and we look forward to working with you soon.
So if you're interested in our online coaching and you feel that we can help you with a certain fitness solution. Feel free to follow the prompts below. You can sign up online. If you have an inquiry, you'd like to share a restriction or an injury, or you have a question about our program itself, feel free to email us at getstarted@elementsforlife.com.au. You can always try the 4-week Kickstarter as well, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.